Yeah, that's the 5th time the alarm's going off. Or the 6th, I don't know. Can't believe it's the middle of the year already. We're in the middle of 2023. Because of how fast the first half of the year went, I have a feeling the second half is going to go just as fast also. Correction, probably even faster, because after July comes, like once my birthday passes, the year starts to go much faster, in my opinion. And then Christmas comes really fast. Sorry if you can't hear me. It's hard to talk with all these fireworks. So as I was saying, like after my birthday, the year feels much faster afterwards. It feels like Christmas. As I was saying, like once my birthday passes, the year feels like it's going much faster afterwards. And I feel like Christmas comes much faster too. After my birthday passes. I don't know if we passed the peak of the fireworks yet, but who knows. Pink and purple. That's beautiful. There's reds, pink, lilac, Here comes the fast ones again. Wow. I bet there's a lot of dogs freaking out right now. Mine are, obviously. They hate fireworks. I bet there's a lot of dogs going nuts, like right now. I'm just saying. Because of how loud they are. That's why it was so hard for me to talk earlier about the year going fast. Looks like we got more brewing up over here. Yeah, it's being lit like by the street corner. They're like being lit like right over there on that street corner. I remember in 2016 we went onto the other street, like right over there. We like went down there and then made that right turn and went to the other street to see the fireworks, and then we had to rush back because it started to rain heavy back in 2016. Just before I went to 10th grade. Yeah, we had to like make a run for it all the way back here. All the way from the other street and that corner street back to over here. Wow. These are awesome. Holy cow. These are amazing.